Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the summer outfit in Dresden Press without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color and then put on this flower, make it yellow and orange, and this necklace, make it white, and then this belly ring, make it white, then this earring, make it white, and then the sandal, make it yellow, light yellow, and then this belt, make it white, and the necklace from the coats item, you're going to make it white. And then I'm going to put on this top and I'm going to apply this pattern. Then I'm going to put on this butterfly top, apply the same pattern, and the next one I'm going to put on this skirt, apply the same pattern, and this item, make it hold the coconut, and then you're going to put on this bag. I'm just going to apply this color for the first section and for the next section, and oops, sorry, I'm gonna make it brown and I'm going to make it like this. Okay, all right, and then the next one, go to this area and put on this skirt. You're going to apply the same pattern. Wait guys, okay, and click on this pattern, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. Wait, okay, and I'm going to put on the dress from the currency item, make it a skirt, and then you're going to apply the same pattern. Okay, finally this is for the look. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this summer outfit in Dresden Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.